Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Scrappy Doo from Scooby Doo. So let's get going. It's going to be super easy, simple for beginners. So let's follow along with me and let's do this. By the end of this, you'll learn how to do this, all right? Stick around. So we're going to go right here. We're going to draw a curve right here for Scrappy's nose. May lengthen that curve a little bit. Going to go over here, turn that corner, go downward. So he's going to have like a home plate shaped nose. And then curve over here, or kind of like a round triangle that's upside down. That's kind of the way I'd like to think about it. Go over here, up, down, and we're gonna pull in maybe a little more. Right here, I want the eye back a little bit more. Pulling up, curving down for the eye, and the eye is pretty small compared to the nose, so kind of keep that in mind. Okay, let's go over here to this side, the other eye. Same thing, try to match the shape of that eye. Really the size of that eye is the most important. And now we're going to go in here and draw pupil and iris, fill it in, just kind of right there all at once, just another dot. Right here, fill it in. There we go, just kind of fill that in. And a little bit of a bag under the eye. That kind of helps. So now he's got a little bit of a smile here, so we're gonna draw kind of like a check mark for the edge of the smile. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a small bump. It's not gonna go very far, just kind of the back of his mouth, maybe something like that. And then I would say if this is hard or not, but pull a line right here. We're gonna draw a pretty large U shape right here for the front of his face. And it's gonna connect to the bottom of the nose. Okay. So his features get bigger as the snout, as it goes closer to the snout. A line over here, down, curved back as well. So we have the other bump on the back. And by the way, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button. It helps so much. It helps the algorithm a lot, and I can't tell you how much it helps. So if you like, I would appreciate it if you do. We'll go over here. So now we're going to find the top of the head. The head is not that tall, pretty low. He's got a pretty low forehead. Down here. This forehead's going to run into, well, let's go over here to this side. It's going to be curve down for one eyebrow. Curve over here for another eyebrow. And then we're going to fill those in as well. Usually with the eyebrow, it's kind of round on one side and sharp on the other, but you don't really have to. It doesn't really matter. It kind of looks like I don't know, it looks like a leaf or something. Or like a French fry. I don't know it's kind of hard to identify that shape per se. So we're going to go to the bottom of his mouth. I think that's easier. Curve down. Line down over here. So the opening of his mouth and the back of the mouth there. And now we're going to find the back of the head shape. So we're going to measure it out, maybe about here or so, like a distance away. Nothing too far. And we're going to pull down over here, and then we're going to turn a slight curve in this area. So let me see. So we're going to end up maybe about here, like kind of below his mouth, to make sure it's like tight. So we're going to go out, down. You want it to kind of go downward, and it's going to get tighter around the neck. We're going to go over here now. We're going to complete his ear. So curve like so. Curve up, down. Curve over here at the top of the ear. Down. Curve like so. Up over here, curve out, curve in. Up, down, line up over here for the back ear. Alright, so far so good. Kind of like a bat. You can fill in the nose if you want. In fact, I might fill it in right now. And as I'm talking, I'll talk to you about something. I'll just fill it in. It's dark. So a big part of Scrappy Doo is the proportions right? It makes him look cuter because he has a larger head compared to his body. It's in proportion to his body. And that's kind of what makes him look so tiny and whatever and young. So learning how to draw cute is really easy. If you're really serious about ingraining the cute drawing in your mind, in your body, like basically if you want to be able to sit down and be able to draw cute drawings like very effortlessly, if you want it in your mind already and you want to have that formula in your mind, go get the ebook. That's the best thing you could possibly do. There's a free ebook that I made with the formula of drawing cute drawings. Basically, we go over like how many heads to body ratio would be. We go over different features of the arm. It's 20 pages. It's 100% visual, meaning you just kind of look at this stuff. It's just a guide, right? There's no writing because I don't know, what's the point? And it's just something you can always have on you. But it's 100% free if you're serious about, like, you know, really being able to draw very easily cute stuff. Absolutely do that. Go get that. It's free right now, completely free. That's the best part about it. But I might not make it free in like a few weeks or months. So just go download it now, 100% free. And yeah, I'll put the link in the description right there. You're going to look down. It's going to be almost immediate. Okay, let's go over here, the collar. And now we're going to go, we're the home stretch, okay? We're almost done. So we're going to go over here. That's top of his shoulder. Outward. Down. Okay, that's his elbow. Line over here. He's got pretty short arms, like I said. The proportion. Curve for his finger. Or paws, I guess. Curve, curve, curve. You can put 3. You can even put 4, I guess, to tie it up there. Down for his chest. Gonna go out, downward. Curve for his lower body. Downward right here for the back of his like hip. Downward. Curve for the foot. Go over here. Curve for the back right there. For basically the back of the knee area. And his other foot. So now he's just standing right there. Don't forget his tail. Like that. And then his far side arm. You can see it kind of poking out the side there. Line right here. Line, line. And maybe another one. Another for the finger. Let's go down to the feet. Curve, curve for the foot. Right there, the paw shapes. And then let's go over here to this chain. So we're going to draw a line, line. And he's got this kind of like, what is this? Like a diamond thing? It's like, but it's like soft. But it's got like the inside as well. Okay, so there you go. That's Scrappy Doo. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, what I want you to do is I want you to stay here, and we're going to do another drawing lesson together. Okay, so stay right there. We're going to do another drawing lesson together. So let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.